The next numerical question. The three charges each equal to plus 4 nanocoulomb are placed at the three corners of a square of side 2 centimeter. Find the electric field at the fourth corner. Okay. Observe carefully. Suppose ABCD is the square. ABCD is the square. So we are placed the charges at ABC and we have to find out the electric field at the point D. Now the electric field due to because of the charges ABC. So the electric field due to because of charges A, B and C can be calculated at the point D, because three charges were placed at the three corners, so another D corner is left. At that point or at that corner we have to find out the electric field. Observe carefully how it is. Suppose this is the square ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ and it is A and it is B and it is C and it is D. Okay, and here it is having the charge plus 4 nano coulomb and here also plus 4 nano coulomb, here also plus 4 nano coulomb, and at this point we have to find out what is the electric field due to because of these three charges. Suppose it is QA and it is QB and it is QC. Okay, observe carefully. They given the distance is how much? 2 centimeter. Here it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. All side is what? 2 centimeter. And we can find out the diagonal. What is the diagonal here? Okay, so this is the diagonal. How much it is? We can by using this Pythagoras theorem. So we can write this DB square is equal to what? AB square plus AD square. So that is AB is what? 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore DB is equal to square root of 8. That we can written as what? 2 root 2. The square root of 8 is nothing but 2 root of it is 2 into 4. So that is 2. Square root of 2 into square root of 4 is 2. Therefore it becomes dB is equal to 2 root 2. Centimeter is we can write it in centimeter. Okay, so this is 2 root 2 centimeter. Observe carefully. First, the electric field due to because of this charge QA, that is act in the direction of the force only. So here due to because of this charge QA, the force is act in this direction, so electric field is also act in this direction, that we can write EA due to because of the charge QA. Therefore the electric field due to charge QA at point D, at point D. Okay, that is EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi x naught into Q. What is the charge? QA by R square, means that is the distance. Okay, here what is the distance? The distance is AD square. Okay, therefore EA is equal to 1 by 4 5 x naught is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9 into charge is how much? 4 nano coulomb. 4 into nano is nothing but 10 power minus 9 by distance is how much? 2 centimeter square. 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square, because we have to write in the meter, so centimeter in terms of meter means 2 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, so this is the electric field. So we can make the calculations here. How much we get? 10 power plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled. 9 into 4 by here 2 square is 4 into 10 power minus 4. 4 gets cancelled. Therefore 9 into 10 power plus 4 Newton per Coulomb. So that is the electric field due to because of this charge QA at the point D. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ 9 into 10 power 4 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಪರ್ ಕೂಲಂಬ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ QC ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 4 pi x ನಾಟ್ QC by R square. R square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು R ಅಂತಂದರೆ C. What is the distance? That is 2 only. That is we can write what? DC square. Therefore electric field EC is equal to, so due to because of this charge, so in this direction we get the electric field because here this is a positive charge, so from positive to the direction the electric field is outward, so we get the electric field due to because of the charge at this point. Okay, now therefore again 1 by 4 for x naught means 9 into 10 power 9 into charge is 4 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb, that is 4 nano coulomb only, and distance is also same, that is minus 2 whole square. So we get the same thing, 9 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb. 9 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb only we get. Okay, and here the next is the what is the electric field due to because of the charge B. Observe carefully. Now this is the charge B means in this direction the electric field will act, so that is due to because of EB. Okay, now we can find out EB, electric field due to because of the charge B. That is equal to 1 by 4 pi x naught QB by R square. Here R is nothing but a what? BD or DB. R is nothing but a dB, that you already find out it, we can substitute. 1 by 4 for x naught means 9 into 10 power 9 into charge is 4 nano coulomb only, that is 4 into 10 power minus 9 by distance dB, that we are already find out at how much? 2 root 2 root 2 into in terms of meter 10 power minus 2 whole square is equal to, again same as it is 9 into 10 power 9 cancel, 9 into 4 by 2 square means 4 and square root of 2, square and square root gets cancelled, remaining 2 only, and 10 power minus 4. Here 4 gets cancelled, 9 by 2 is nothing but a 4.5 comes to the numerator, that is 10 power plus 4 Newton per Coulomb. So that is the electric field due to because of the charge QB at this corner or at the point P due to because of this charge at this point D. What is the electric field? That is 4.5 into 10 power 4. After what we have to find out? We have to find out the resultant electric field. Resultant electric field at this EC and ED. For this we have to get the resultant in this direction, so that we can write resultant of E. We can write the resultant electric field at the point T. So that is equal to square root of what? EC plus EA. Resultant electric field. We can write here. The resultant electric field. Resultant electric field due to EA and EC. That is ED is equal to at the point D is equal to square root of what? EA square plus EC square is equal to square root of, observe carefully, both are same only. EA and EC you can say both are same, that is 2 times the electric field we can write. That gives square root of 2 into, here what is the electric field we get? EA and EC both are same only, so that we can write 9 into 10 power 4. Okay, now 9 into 10 power 4 means 10 power 4 it comes outside means square root of 18 square root of 18 into 10 power 2. We can find out the square root of 18. How much we get means we get Okay, here square is there, we can write the square here, so it becomes whole square. Okay, see here in that case what happens, the square root of 2 into 9 square is 81 into 10 power 8. So 81 2 is 162, that is 162 into 10 power 8 means outside it comes square root of, if it is comes outside the square root means it becomes 10 power 4. The square root of 162 is 12.73 into 10 power 4, that is Newton per Coulomb. So that is the electric field, resultant electric field due to because of these two. If you can take the resultant, after at this point D there are two, it's resultant and due to because of charge B ಎರಡಿದೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಹಿತ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now we can add those two. So what we will get, again if you can add those two, therefore the total electric field, the total electric field at point D is E is equal to EB plus ED. You can add those two. Okay, so EB ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. EB ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 4.5 into 10 power 4, 4.5 into 10 power 4 plus ED ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 12.73 into 10 power 4. So if you can add these two, we get 17.23 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb. So this is the total electric field at the point P due to because of the charges we are placed at the corners of the square. So this is the total electric field.